Hello everyone, welcome to Studywise Banking. Here are the 50 questions asked in SBI Clerk Mains Examination. So the first question was, who chaired the 14th BRICS Summit at Beijing? The answer was Xi Jinping. And the next question is, on which date national flag was adopted in the meeting of the constituency? So the answer was 22 July 1947. Which INS is decommissioned after a 35 years of glorious service? So the INS Sindhudhwaj is decommissioned after the 35 years of its service, and this is the picture of INS Sindhudhwaj. International Day of Girl Child is celebrated across the globe on 11th of October. Shrestha is the scheme for poor children's education, and in Shrestha, what is T stands for? So the T stands for targeted. So in recent news, Apple has decided to start the manufacturing hub at Chennai with which company? So the answer is Foxconn. And the next question was on the finance minister. The finance minister allows airlines to avail a loan up to 1500 crore under the ECLGS, which was the Russian bank. PSCB Bank has partnered with which Indian bank for the rupee-ruble trade? So the answer is Yes Bank has partnered with the PSCB Bank of Russia for the rupee-ruble trade. The next one was, when Ministry of Corporation was set up? July 6th of 2021. Indian government has decided the logistic cost should be equivalent to the global benchmark by which year? And the answer is 2030. Which was the India's first human carrying drone, which is inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji? And the answer is Varuna. The name of the drone was Varuna. And the next question was from the novel Ministry of Utmost Happiness is written by whom? The answer is Arundhati Roy. And the next question was, Ben Bernanke was chairman of which one of the following? And the answer was, he was the chairman of President Council of Economic Advisor. The 5th International Labour Cup was held in London. Indian educational technological firm Byju's has sponsored the 2022 Qatar World Cup. Bharat Bond ETF, in which E stands for exchange. Recent 11th agricultural census was held on which year by Narendra Singh Tomar? So the answer is 2021 and 2022. Orang National Park is situated in Assam. According to the census 2011, the highest urban population state in India is Maharashtra, obviously. Tata Group has decided how many companies to merge with the Tata Steel. So the answer is 7 metal companies. With which country India has decided the Economic Cooperation Trade Agreement recently? So the answer is India and Australia. These two countries have decided to sign on the agreement of Economic Cooperation Trade Agreement, in which India and Australia will freely trade with each other. Which trophy is given for Indian University sport? So the answer is Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad Trophy. This trophy is for Inter-Indian University sports. And the next one was from the SBI. SBI having 14 sponsored RRBs. Nobel Prize winner Anne Arnox is which numbered female to get the Nobel Prize? Reserve Bank of India directs Paytm Payment Bank to stop the boarding of new customers. RBI said it has identified the 16 NBFC for categorization of NBFC under the frame Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana Women's Age Limit. The best performing states more than the 100 urban local bodies which are not best performing states. How much finance assistance is provided for freight charges under the IC scheme? So here are the 35 plus questions which are asked in SBI Clerk Mains Examination. Hope you like the video. For more such interesting and knowledgeable videos, please subscribe our channel. Please like and share this video. Till then, take care and love you.